Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today we will see Accurex Xpress ACR Urine Analyzer. ACR means Albumin Creatinine ratio. So this is 99.7% accuracy and this comes with a wireless printing option. So we'll see all the parts of the analyzer. So here you can see this is all the certificates, installation reports and packing lists. Here this is the ACR analyzer. This is the Bluetooth printer. This here is the printer roll. This is the check strip. This is the power adapter and this is the cable. Now we'll see how to operate this ACR analyzer. This is the power button. You need to click on it. And for the printer, you need to press this button. So as you on both the printer and the analyzer, the printer will automatically get connected. So you can see the symbol over here. If the symbol is showing, then that means that the printer is connected. If it doesn't show, that means the printer is not connected. Here is the symbol for battery, the date and the time. Here is the ID number. From here, you can select the type of strip that you want to test, 14G or 10G, by clicking on it. Here it says press the start button key to test. So you need to press over here or this key. Here is the button for switch setting. This is from here you can see all the tests that you have already performed. So we'll see the settings. Here is the number, here is the ID, the time, printer on or off, mode single or continue, the language, initialize means if you want to reset the analyzer you can do it from here, color off or on, the unit, sensitivity and written. If you click on written, it will go back to the home page. So now we'll see how to test. So this is the Urit 14G test strips. So it looks like this. So this is the test strip and this is a urine sample. So we'll dip the strip inside the sample and we'll place it over here like this and we'll press on this button or this icon. So this says ready for reagent strip, dip in the specimen when buzzing. So when you hear the noise, you have to make sure that the strip is kept on the analyzer. So now you have to wait for more 30 seconds. So after the testing is done, the result will be shown on this screen and as well as the print will be shown, print will come out from this printer automatically. So now you can see the result over here and also the result is printed with the printer. Thank you.